Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel on Excel video series. In today's video, we are going to take a look at how we can navigate the sheets of an Excel workbook in a quicker and faster way. For example, if we are in the middle of a sheet list and we want to move to the first sheet, we want to move to the last sheet, or we simply want to move one sheet previous or one sheet forward, then what are the faster ways of doing it? So let me just open my training file which I have prepared for this particular tutorial. While the file is opening, let me remind you that all the shortcuts will be listed at the end of the video and you can check it out later. So the first and foremost, if you are already on a sheet and you want to see the data of another sheet, what is the easiest way to do it? You simply click on that sheet and the data of that sheet would be displayed to you. But how you can do it via keyboard? If you want to move down your sheet list, then in that case you press Control Page Down. So currently I am at CAD behavior data sheet, and if I press Control Page Down, I will move to the color data sheet. Similarly, if you want to move up the sheet list, that you want to move towards the first sheet, then the shortcut that you need to press is Control Page Up. When you press Control Page Up, you start moving up the sheet list. So this is the fastest way to navigate between the sheets. So if you are at the first sheet and you want to move to the last sheet, keep Control Page Down pressed and it will take you to the last sheet. Similarly, if you are at the last sheet and you want to move towards the first one, keep Control Page Up pressed and it will take you to the first sheet. Now that is about how you can navigate between the sheets by pressing Control Page Up and Control Page Down. But what if that there are too many sheets, like let's say there are 100 sheets and you just can't keep Control Page Down pressed to take you to the last sheet? Then in that case, keeping Control pressed and click on this small green arrow that you see here, green triangle that you see here. The moment you will hover your mouse over it, you will see that there are two options. If you will press Control left click, then it will take you to the last sheet. Please remember, it only makes the last sheet visible in the sheet list. You are still actually on the sheet that you were before. So let me demonstrate it again. So let's say I am at city data and I want to go to the last sheet, which is sheet number 5. If I'll press Control and I'll click on this arrow key, then it will take me to the last sheet. The last sheet becomes visible, but you are still at the first sheet. You're still working in the first sheet. So if you want to see the data of the last sheet, you will need to click on it. Control and clicking on this arrow key only makes the sheet visible. It does not actually take you to the sheet. So please be aware of this. If you are making any changes to the data, you will make changes to the data of your originally selected sheet only. Similarly, if you want to see the list of all the sheets in the file and you don't want to just navigate through all the sheets, then click on this arrow, Control and right click. Control right click will take you to the list of all the sheets. Here you can scroll up and down and simply see what all sheets are there in your Excel workbook. So that's how you can move towards the first and the last sheet of your file. In previous versions of Excel, there used to be another button here right next to it, which used to take you directly to the last sheet, and similarly one button here which used to take you directly to the first sheet. But for Excel 2013 and later versions, they have simply removed that button. So the only way to do it the way that I have shown right now. So that's about the navigation across the sheets. Here is the list of shortcuts used in the entire video. Also, if you have any specific questions related to Excel, please reach out to me on the email ID listed on screen. I will be happy to answer your questions. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.